Hey, how's it going, guys? Stevie here at the Ioniq. So today we're doing an unboxing video. Just to let you know, it was sent to me by the company, and I will be giving my honest review. So the product today is a EV adapter for, let's say you don't have a Tesla and you would like to charge at a level 2 destination charger. You will use this to make it happen. So yeah, and let's get into it and let's unbox this. So guys, before we unbox the video, I just want to show you how the box looks like. Okay guys, let's start the unboxing. But before we start, and as I mentioned, this is compatible with a Tesla high power wall connector, a Tesla destination charger, and a Tesla mobile connector. On the other hand, it is not compatible with the Tesla supercharger. So let's see how this looks. This way, right. This is quite hefty. I mean, I would say I had a different connector in the past few years. This one seems durable. It's quite heavy, but not that heavy. So yeah, so this side would be from you plug this to your car, and this one is where you plug to your Tesla charger. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and stay tuned for the other video. I will show you how to use it.
Charging started.